MoneyHelp.com traveled to Mutoh America headquarters in Phoenix, Arizona to interview Brian Phipps, Vice President and General Manager of Mutoh America, to interview him about the Mutoh Advantage. This is a summary of his comments.
So people ask me all the time, what makes the ValueJet different from all the other printers out there? And what I tell them is what I hear from our customers. And what our customers tell me is that our printers are extremely reliable and they are extremely easy to use. So what it comes down to at the end of the day is ease of use, okay? The reason we have this, or the reason we have this capability is because of smart printing. Smart printing is made up of a series of technologies that are in the printer. It allows the user to run the printer very easily, get sellable output, and at the end of the day, be able to be more productive. Some of these technologies include our wave technology. We call it intelligent interweave. It's a patented technology that puts the ink down in a wavy pattern that helps virtually eliminate banding. That's one of the big complaints that people have about digital printing in general. And we've solved that through this technology that you're only going to get on a Mutoh ValueJet. Another thing is color verify. In the printer, it's going to be able to tell you before you start printing a job if the color's going to be right. I mean, how great is that to be able to know that before you print your job and find out afterwards that it's the colors are off or there's a problem, and then you end up throwing all of that away. So that technology is in the ValueJet. We have the VSM, ValueJet Status Monitor. What that is, it's like having an extra person on your staff. That the printer, like a person, is going to be monitoring the printer. It's going to get back to you and tell you if there's a problem, and is going to communicate with you through your smartphone or your computer. You don't even have to be in the room, or remotely. You can dial in remotely and see what's going on. How much ink do I have? Is the job ended? You know, what's the status of the printer? And I tell you what, the users, the people who actually have to use our printer, love it. They just love that because they don't have to babysit our stuff. It's smart. It's going to think on its own and it's going to communicate. With the new X models that recently came out, we have a new technology called DropMaster. DropMaster is very technical, and I won't go into all the details, but what it is it just means that it's going to do a great job getting that tiny little dot in the right spot every time so that your picture is perfect. Because if those dots are off, or they're not in the right spot, or they're not round, then your image quality is going to suffer. And you're not going to get that when you buy a Mutoh ValueJet. Also, we have the SpectraView. The SpectraView is a Mutoh product, patented product, and it's an option on the printer where you can put it on next to the print head and attach it to the printer, and you can do onboard profiling, and you can make your own profiles, you can relinearize, and you can use it for doing color verification or process control. So, you know, if you don't want to go that deep with our printer, you don't have to. It's an option. But after you've had it a while, maybe you want to start printing on different different applications. You put this SpectraView, it clips right on the printer, and now you're doing color management. You're managing your color, and you're taking it to the next level. And you can do that without buying a new printer. You just get an upgrade. What our competitors are saying against us is that, oh, they got all the technology, it's hard to use, nobody knows what's going on, blah, blah, blah. But really it's the opposite. It's taking all of that technology and letting it work for you.